Okay, hi, this is Eugene here. Decided to take a walk around the KL Bird Park. So let's take a look. We're in this aviary area, smaller waterfall, and the bird park is quite beautiful, very huge, very peaceful. Hardly anybody. Oh, look, there's a store. And you can basically walk around, and the birds are all around you, right? Oh, look, a peacock. Okay. Ah, look, nice peacock. Hopefully the peacock doesn't attack me. I guess not. Okay. So it's an open air bird park, but you can see there are nets covering it. So the birds are free to roam around. Right. See the guys. You just want to. Okay, let's see whether I can take a picture of it. Okay, let's walk around. Quite serene. And you can see there are birds flying around. And little sections where they segregating the birds. But it's pretty much open air, you can pretty much walk around. I'm out in the open right now, so there's probably no birds here. But you can see, right, from the outside, this is the covered area. So birds are probably all in the covered area. Right? So it's an amphitheater. Okay, I'm going to try to get into one of those covered areas again. It's around 9:30 a.m. I think it opens at 9. When I first got in, I'm probably the only Malaysian who walked in. Probably another 4 or 5 foreigners. So pretty empty, quite serene. There's the amphitheater where they do the bird show. You can see the emus here. Okay, more emus. Ah, ostriches. So the emus and ostriches are segregated. Probably they're the ones that, you know, maybe have the tendency to attack, right? You don't want to be walking around and this guy comes up to you, right? That's just about 4 or 5 ostriches. And some size comparison of how big an ostrich can get. I think that area is the parrots area. I'll try to run up there and let you see what it feels like. Some makan area. Okay. So these are parrot areas. Okay, I can see more tourists. Okay. Oops. So parrots are they are parrots in cages. And then there's just parrots who are just hanging around like this, right? Yeah. Yeah, this little red one is quite nice. Ooh, look at this guy. Yeah, so you pretty much get to walk around. And they fly sometimes quite close to you. So this is the parrot area. Try and run over to the other section. So this place has got parrots, emus, ostriches. There's obviously the hornbill. Just now I walked past the hornbill. I didn't start filming yet, so you'll see that a little bit later. Okay, let's see. Should be down in this area. Oh, okay, so there's more parrots here. African parrot. Can't see any parrots here. Blue-cheeked Amazon. Okay, so I think this is a photo booth area where you can take a picture with the birds. I think you can probably put the birds onto your hand. Okay, so let's see. These are the stars of the show. Quite a big area. Let's see what else we have here. There's another covered area. Another covered area. Okay, this is probably smaller birds. Very serene. This is quite a famous restaurant. Apparently the satay is quite good. I think about 10 years ago came here and ate the satay here, and then is in a big covered area. If you can see roughly, it's all covered. And then sometimes I remember when I had satay maybe about 10 years ago, hornbills will be flying around you. This is a koi pond. Fish doesn't look that good, but yeah, it's covered area. Right, very nice, very nice. Can't see any. Okay, there's hornbill there. There's a gift shop up there. As you can see, this is the makan area. This is the hornbill restaurant, and satay is quite good. There you go, there's a hornbill. Hello. Okay, let's see what else we will see here. I don't know what this guy is. Peafowl. Black crown crane. Hello. Okay. Here is Mr. Peacock. Stock there. Hey, Mr. Peacock, how are you? Birds are all flying around. I'm pretty much walking around you. Oh, look at this guy. So they built a little waterfall area. This guy's the closest to me. There are peacocks down there, you can see. And the stalks are all on the tree. Peacock. And then, yeah, these dudes walking around. Yeah, so this area is quite nicely covered. You see the birds are all flying around you, or just resting. Okay, let's run over to the other side, see what's over at the other side. We've covered probably 2/3 of the place already. Oh, okay. Another peacock. Yeah, when you come in just now from the place where I showed you the earlier waterfall. Moody fella lah. The feathers all patah. Oh, owls. See the owls? Another peacock. Noisy fella. Eagle. Wow, okay. I didn't realize there were eagles here. But of course, the eagle is not outside lah. All well contained. So I think we've almost walked the length of the aviary. So we started at the start of the video. It was the smaller waterfall, and then this is the place. I just looked at the map where it's curving. So I guess this is the last part of the, yeah. So this is probably the boundary. Oh, there's actually quite a number of peacocks just walking around. Okay, actually quite scary lah, these guys. Beautiful, but okay lah. So quite a lot of peacocks. Another one down there. Oh, so this guy just standing here. Oh. Okay, so area quite nice, quite cantik lah. 25 ringgit if you entrance fee if you're Malaysian, so you show your my card. If you're non-Malaysian, they hantam you 63 ringgit if you're adult. Okay, so yeah, this is it.